Hello everyone. Today I will talk about B cell development. I will explain how B cells grow and why this is important. B cells are made in the bone marrow. The goal is to make a special center called BCR. Early stage pro-B and pre-B. First, let's look at the start. The first cell is a pro-B cell. It has markers called CD19 and CD43. Once inside the cell, something amazing happens. The cell mixes its genes to make the heavy chain. This is a big part of the sensor. When the heavy chain is ready, the cell shows a test sensor called pre-BCR. Now it is a large pre-B cell. The cell checks, is the heavy chain good? If it is good, the cell goes to the next step. Red stage, small pre-B to immature. Next, the cell becomes a small pre-B cells. The marker is CD25. Now, the cell makes a small part of the sensor. This is the light chain. The cell mixes genes again. When the big part and small part come together, the sensor is finished. This sensor is called IgM. Now the cell is called an immature B cells. Safety check tolerance. This step is very important. It is a safety check. We call this tolerance. Sometimes the new sensor is dangerous. It might attack our own body, so the bone marrow checks the sensor. If the B cell attacks our body, it must die. Or it tries to fix the sensor. This keeps our body safe. Finally, the safe B cells go to the spleen. They become mature B cells. They have IgM and IgD on them. Why is this important? Variety, we can make many types of sensors to fight many viruses. Safety, we do not attack our own body. Thank you for listening.